Jehovah, I am breaker. I am breaker. I am breaker.
Dissolve! 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 To be mumu. Dissolve! Dissolve! Dissolve!
Cha ndogo kwenu. Ndogo kwenu. Ndogo kwezu.
Yeah. Today is a beautiful day. Before I continue, I want to present to you guys my in-laws. The things, some refreshment, some goodies, and not only that, with some cash. First of all, my in-law. That's country. Original, yeah? Then, remember I said there is another thing, right? Yes. My in-law, because it's hard for her to open it up, so I'm doing that. My in-law, we brought this fresh from the bank for you guys. Big money.
Ndogo, you're welcome.
Yeah.
I want to say something very, very important. Probably, maybe you people don't understand where you are. Because where you are determine the kind of things that you will bring. So let me quickly remind you that you are in Wobu's family.
No, we know.
We don't know.
Okay.
I'm not sure you know. So I want to quickly remind you. In fact, I want to bring that fruit that you want to plug out. So that you see the kind of fruit that you want to plug. Before presenting this kind of fruit that you just presented. Where is my daughter? Where is my sister? Back all my sister for me. Back all of my sisters for me.
I think there's still more.
There is no more.
There is more.
There is no more.
Can you imagine?
Which of the fruits that you want to plug now?
The others should go first. So definitely, she's the one.
You came to plug this kind of thing. Yes. And you're coming with this kind of thing.
$100.
Who said it?
Who said that?
You, Igwe. I can see the Igwe in you.
No.
I can see the Igwe in you. Hello. When I saw you, I respected you. Even if I don't want to respect you, because I know you're not a chief. I will respect this dada that you have in your head. I'm only respecting your dada. Don't allow me to disrespect you. Is this the list that will give you people to come and marry my sister? In fact, you know what? Give me that list. Let me remind them or refresh them.
Chief,
the list.
I believe that there's more.
There's no more. This will not have
There's
anything.
more. Let them bring it. Let's see.
And we came here and brought drink. And these people are
Why is he
drinking.
always saying this?
Finishing our drink like
I
idiots.
don't like this you're doing.
This one
He's
has
always doing
drank
this.
like two bottles
He's always
already.
doing this.
Oh, just three.
Oh, can you imagine?
He has drank just three. Just immediately now. Number one. 50 bags of cement.
Onion. Bam.
8 cows.
Let's make it.
Ordinary 8. 2 plots of land. One for me, one for one them.
Confirm.
52 tubers of yam. All this yam, not all this small yam. All this big yam, that is very big.
It will be complete though. Why will not remove?
Then 18 rappers.
For mother.
No, it's not for mother. This one is not even for mother.
Land is not George.
22 packets of cigarettes. Only you two.
Especially for DSS.
How does it sound now?
Confirm. You are right.
How does it sound?
31 jacks palm wine. Jack of palm wine.
Confirm.
31 jack. And you people brought only Shnap. 11 keke for youths.
Jesus!
120 crates of beer. And you people are even finishing the one that we brought. Where is your beer? And you came to marry this queen. What is this again? This is for Omada. 12 sewing machine.
Confirm.
Yes, now.
Empowerment.
Yes. What is a big now? 31 cartons of soap. Omada. 16 basket of onions. Yes. They will cook. Then 2 houses. 2 houses.
Island and mainland.
Oh, island and mainland.
Confirm.
One an island. One in mainland.
No.
Then 2 cars. 2 cars. One for me, one for my sister.
You deserve it.
And it's Benz.
Best.
Benz or nothing. Benz or nothing. Then 1 trailer of fuel. Because we fuel the car.
Yes.
We have to fuel the car.
Yes.
We cannot be just driving with no fuel.
Yes.
And you came to marry this queen.
I give them this.
Mario, who do you say that you want to marry, sir?
Spanner.
Spanner. Because are you the spanner that she wants to marry?
1 minute.
Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
Where is the cooler that you just brought here? Lord of God, Lord of God.
Wait. Is that the cooler that we brought?
Anybody got it?
No, I can't believe this.
Can you imagine?
Who is this?
The bride.
Not the bride. I mean, not the broom. The broom.
What's not okay?
Jesus! God of God.
Jesus!
Yeah. In-law. It's okay. Hold on. In-law, your younger brother can finish a cooler of rice.
No, nah. It's not one place, just for testing. They are bringing food now, swallow and roast.
Who is this man?
The party will start. Wait, this one is just testing the microphone. Fertilizer. This one will eat you and use you for tissue. It's okay. You know what? You people have to be going.
Your skin.
No, you just, you have stayed long already. Keep this one. Keep it.
Harmonico.
No, you people will be going.
No, wait.
Get out of here! Get out of here!
Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
But the person that you came to marry somebody has married the cooler already, so you people can get out now.